Our governor standing her ground tonight on big cuts here in our state. Democrats have already called for a special session to restore Medicaid funding for transplants. And new tonight, ABC 15's Christina Boomer explains the next move they're making to help the people whose lives are on the line.
Roughly 100 transplant patients were recently dropped from the state's Medicaid agency following budget cuts. The Democrats have been pleading for a fix, but the governor says it's not that easy.
The bottom line is we simply don't have the money. I've got a $1 billion deficit. We've mortgaged the state capitol, and I've raised taxes. So it's just not a simple fact of a few $1 million here or there.
She's the only one in the state that believes that there's not money to fund this. It's $1.2 million, which is a drop in the bucket. It's literally 23 cents per every Arizonan.
That's Democrat and State Senate Minority Leader-elect David Shapira, who earlier tonight posted this tweet. Just dropped the first bill of the legislative session. SB 1001 will restore transplant coverage if it still isn't done by January. The last line of SB 1001 reads, "This act is an emergency measure that is necessary to preserve the public peace, health, or safety."
If the emergency clause is not included in this bill, it won't take effect until 90 days after the end of the legislative session, which could literally be a year from now. And there are people who are being given less than a year to live by their doctors.
This bipartisan bickering and ankle biting is very unfair.
Both sides seem to agree with that statement. The tricky part is getting them to agree on anything else. In the meantime, about 100 people cherish their passing days, their lives caught in the crossfire of money and politics. Christina Boomer, ABC 15 News.